Hey, you can't have too many knives, right? Socket extensions. Hey, I found another flashlight. What do you know? Can't have too many of those. Again, keep it simple. Another thing you might get, they're cheap. Get a miner's hat flashlight so you can keep both hands free. That's what I've been meaning to do. Keep a Sharpie. Keep a pen. You're going to want to write down stuff. You're going to want to mark stuff, especially when you're doing wiring. You've got to remember that stuff. And while I'm thinking about that, while you're doing wiring, while you're doing plumbing, use what I'm talking into now. Use your phone and take pictures before you start your job. Take dozens of pictures. It doesn't matter because you can always refer back to that. I've saved my behind. Where'd you get on? I've saved my behind many times by having to refer back to pictures because it's like, oh my God, where did that wire go? And when you get into water heaters that you have, green and yellow, black and red, and a couple blue wires in there, same with furnaces, you're going to be glad you had those pictures. You're going to appreciate that. There's a lot of other little junk in here. You know what? Fasteners. Keep fasteners. Self-tapping screws. Again, the square bit screws. Keep those on hand. Machine screws. Wood screws. You don't have to have a bunch of them. Just, what I like to do is use little pill bottles and put them in there. You put the pill bottles, put them right in your kit, label them. Hey, you've got enough to get the job done. If you need more, you can come back to your central location. So basically, this kind of clears it up, for the basics of tools. Again, this is gonna get you through. At least 85 to 90% of your stuff. Again, linesman pliers, another crescent wrench. You know what? This gives me a good excuse to clean this out. But that's all you need for right now. Oh, almost forgot. A caulking gun. That's cheap. Get that. Again, these are all hand tools. We'll get into the power tools later. But if you do have to have one power tool, make sure it's a drill driver because you will be doing a lot of drilling, and it does come in handy when trying to loosen stubborn nuts and bolts, and there are a lot of them. You'll be glad you had this. This is what you want. This is the one power tool you need to start off with. We'll get into other stuff later on, and I appreciate you hanging with me. And if you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. And remember, hey, we're all here to help. We're in this together. Again, thank you for watching. I'm Eric Faust for Camper Tech. Take care.